Welcome to the Phone Transformer channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to add music to video in Android, step by step. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tutorials. Let's get started. Step 1. Take your Samsung phone and open the Google Play Store app. Ensure you're logged into the correct Google account to avoid any issues. Step 2. Once you're in the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type CapCut. Then install the app. Step 3. Now open the CapCut app, look for the New Project option, and select it. Step 4. Here you will see two categories, videos and photos. Select the video you want to add music to, then tap the Add button. Step 5. From the menu, locate the audio option and select it. Then tap on the Sounds option. Step 6. Here you will see all the available sounds. If you want to add custom music, tap on the folder icon and click on the Device option. Step 7. Now select the music you want to add, then tap on the plus icon. Step 8. If you want to increase or decrease the volume, select the audio, then tap on the volume icon and adjust it to your preference. Step 9. If you want to split the audio or video, scroll through and select the option to split, then tap on the split icon. If needed, confirm by tapping the delete button. Step 10. Once you're done, confirm by tapping the export button at the top right corner. Wait a few seconds for the video to export. It will be saved to your gallery automatically. Step 11. If you want to check the video, go back to the home screen, open the gallery, and view the result. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.